What's up guys, welcome back to the video. Before we start this video, I would like to say thank you to everybody who watched the previous video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, commented and give me some ideas on what to do. So if you do like these videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. We've got a lot of views but a lot of subscribers. Please hit the subscribe button, it helps me, it helps you, it helps everybody. So let's get to this video. Okay guys, in this video we're going to start by removing this KJ's engine. It is a 3.7 with auto box. Most of it is stripped anyways. Going to take it out and just see what the damage on it, and maybe give it to someone, sell it to someone, swap it for spares. What would you like to see in this vehicle? Should we go with a normal 3.7? Should we go with a Lexus V8? Should we go with a Hemi? Depending on the budget, we'll see what we can do. So let's get started. Let's take out this engine and whack it. Also, before I get started, I would just like to say I've never taken out these engines before. If you see something that I'm doing wrong, where I could do it better, or just something in general that you might suggest, please comment below. I think we'll start by taking off this cradle, unhooking the transmission cables, and see what other cables are left in here, and just take that out, and then maybe the bolts. I'll do this piece by piece and see how it goes. A bit of a struggle to get this headlight cradle off. I had to remove this bumper and a lot of this wiring. So as you can see, there's the engine. This crank pulley was loose, so we can start by removing the wiring from the gearbox, from the transfer case, and need to remove these pickup coils as well. And see this air condition pump, I'm not going to use aircon in this vehicle, so we can remove that as well. Lekker. Going to be taking off this power steering pump right now. This is going to be a little bit of a mess because it is full of fluid. Let's maybe open up this cap, just drain most of it out. It's not looking too bad. It's got a red color to it. I was able to remove the exhaust manifolds, the cats. As you can see, it was not an easy job, but it's out now. And I also removed the front piece where it splits into the one exhaust, and then now I need to remove this bar. Okay, so next, let's see if I can zoom in, focus. I need to remove this complete bar, this brace. Already, like I said, I removed this exhaust, the nuts, but take it out. The resonator needs to come through forward, and this bar is in the way. And also the bar holds the transmission or the transfer case mountings, so it needs to be removed anyway. Okay guys, so the camera stopped recording. This exhaust piece is out, and the brace is out eventually. That engine mounting there, that needed to come loose first. Actually, I didn't do that. The prop shaft is kind of still on there. It's hanging on by it's hanging on by ropes, as you can see right there. And then the whole of this transmission is now standing on this jack. So next up, I have to go to the other side, disconnect all the wires, disconnect the selector cables, the transfer selector cables, and also see where these lines go, because I think they are fixed to the transmission. This transmission is kind of leaking oil. Just a teeny little bit, but I think I'm almost there, close to taking this bad boy out. If we can see this, trying to put light on this. Take the prop shaft off. All you need to do is loosen up that boot. It's just got this simple clip on it. Let's see if I can get more light on this. And then you just pull it back. We're going to cut these ropes now that I showed you, and then just pull it back. Oh, there we can see. They're all boot. Take off the clip, and then just pull it back. Okay, so now we're taking off the transmission selector. This is quite simple. Just unbolt that little bolt, pull it off, and then this bracket should bolt off. And then the transfer case selector will be easy as well. Just unclip that, pull it out, pull it off. Nice little clip there. It's a few little clips. Take it all off, and then the fun begins by taking this engine out. Okay, so now this is loose and that bracket is loose. We've got this clip to take off, that clip to take off. I see 2 other clips, probably missing a few, to be honest. Let's take off those 2, the clip there and this electrical clip for transfer case, and yeah, take it from there. Okay guys, it looks like most of it might be loose. Everything is hanging right here. So all I still need to disconnect is the starter motor, and then we start pulling and see if anything else is attached still. Okay guys, next we're taking out this engine. Hopefully everything's detached. Hopefully all the bolts are loose, else this bad boy might just break everything. So I'm going to hook a rope to this and then start lifting it up, pulling it back with a gearbox, with a transfer case, and what else is still on it. So yeah, let's do this. And we get this in place first. I'll be using this 5-ton tow rope to just gently get it out. Let's do this. There we go guys, engine is out, gearbox is out, transfer case is out, all in one shot. It was very difficult. I suggest if you do this, get somebody to help you. I had nobody to help me. Also please note, this was not a DIY video. This is simply me taking out the engine. I did found more damage on it. I'll show you guys in the next video. For now, I'll probably have to clean up here, put some sawdust over this oil, and then put everything back. the engine back to the garage, and next time I'll show you the damage on this engine, and we'll probably hit the interior of this vehicle as well. Please drop the comments below on what you suggest, and also if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe please guys. I would appreciate that very much. So that being said, hope you guys stay safe and enjoy this channel. Cheers.